In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a confirmation email in Shopify as of 2025. If you're looking to ensure that your customers receive a professional and informative order confirmation after purchasing, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through the steps together to set everything up smoothly using Shopify's built-in features. Setting up confirmation emails can be a powerful way to enhance customer satisfaction and keep everyone on the same page regarding their order details. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings or Sales. This area is where you'll find all the tools you need to configure your store to suit your business needs. From there, you'll need to look for Notifications. Click on Notifications to access the section where you can manage all the emails and alerts that are sent out to your customers and yourself. Now, once you've reached the Notifications section, you'll see a variety of options. Go ahead and click on Customer Notifications. This is where you can control all the communications for your Shopify store, from order confirmations to shipping updates and more. For this video, we're focusing specifically on the order confirmation, which is an essential aspect of your customer interaction. When you see order confirmation listed, go ahead and click on that. Shopify provides a template for this email, which you can use as is or customize to better fit the tone and style of your brand. It's a good idea at this point to send yourself a test email to ensure everything looks right before it's sent out to your customers. At the top of the page, there's a Send Test button. By clicking this, you can receive a test confirmation email to your own email address. This step is crucial as it allows you to view the email exactly as your customers will see it. Check it over carefully and ensure all the information is correct and presented clearly. If you wish to make any changes to the email's appearance or wording, click on Edit Code. This option will lead you into the HTML and Liquid template where you can introduce modifications. Don't worry if coding isn't your strong suit. Shopify's templates are designed to be somewhat intuitive, and you can make changes carefully without needing extensive technical knowledge. Of course, always make sure to preview your changes by sending another test email before finalizing it, ensuring every detail aligns with your expectations. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up and customized a confirmation email in Shopify. This ensures your customers are well informed and reassured after making a purchase, which goes a long way in fostering trust and happiness with your brand. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.